Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special video from me. It is a cleaning video, but it's actually not me cleaning. It is my sister cleaning her house, and the reason why I'm sharing this video is because when my sister and I are both feeling unmotivated, we share time lapses to one another showing what we got up to for the day. And I haven't done any cleaning videos this week because my mum came up to visit from Brisbane, and my sister also wanted to share with my mum and I what she was up to because she didn't come and visit this time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have been trying to tell my sister for months that she should start her own YouTube channel. Her home is gorgeous. She is a mum of two gorgeous little pug dogs, Daisy and Dudley, and Daisy in fact is my fur granddaughter, and Tallulah the cat, and she has two little budgerigars too, and her home is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you the motivation, but this is her time lapse for the day of her cleaning her gorgeous home.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody.
You got me feeling alright. Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so alive.
Won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you comment and tell me what you think of my sister's home.
Oh yeah.